Accounting theory, element, and structure. Accounting theory is a framework designed to regulate, explain, and predict accounting practice. The elements and structure of accounting theory provide guidance that help accountants prepare financial statements in a consistent and standard complete manner, forming the foundation for developing accounting principles and regulation. Below is an explanation of the element and structure of accounting theory. 1. Elements of accounting theory. The elements of accounting theory consist of basic concepts that form the main foundation for developing accounting theory. These elements include purpose of financial statement. The primary purpose of financial statement is to provide relevant financial information to user of financial record, including investor, creditor, and other interested parties. Financial statement aim to assist in making sound economic decisions by providing information on an entity's financial position, financial performance, and cash flow. And qualitative characteristic of accounting information. Qualitative characteristic are qualities that accounting information must have to fulfill the purpose of financial statement. These characteristics include relevance. Information provided must be relevant for the decision-making needs of users. Reliability. Information must be dependable and reflect actual condition. Comparability. A financial statement should allow comparison across periods and between companies. Understandability. Information in financial statement should be easy to understand by a user. Basic assumption of accounting. Basic assumptions are concepts or principles accepted as the foundation for preparing financial statement. These assumptions include 1. Economic entity. Each organization is viewed as a separate economic entity from its owner or other entities. Going concern, the business is assumed to continue its operation into the foreseeable future. Accounting period. Business activities are divided into specific periods to allow for periodic reporting of performance and financial position. Monetary unit. Transactions are recorded in a stable, widely used currency unit. Basic accounting principle. This principle ensures that financial statements are prepared in accordance with generally accepted principles and standards, including historical costs. Assets are recorded based on their acquisition cost rather than current market value. Revenue recognition. Revenue is recognized when goods or services have been provided and accepted by the customer. Matching principle. Expenses are recorded in the same period as the revenue they generate. Full disclosure. All relevant information must be disclosed in the financial statement. 2. Structure of accounting theory. The structure of accounting theory can be seen as a framework that outlines the relationship between accounting theory elements. This structure assists accountants in applying accounting principles consistently and according to standard. It includes several key components. Basic framework. The basic framework is the foundation of accounting theory, explaining various assumptions and fundamental concepts, such as the going concern assumption, the entity concept, and periodicity. This framework from the basic for all accounting principles and standards used to prepare financial statement. Basic concept. Basic concept are principles used as a reference for measuring and reporting financial information, including the historical cost principle, realization principle, and expense recognition principle. These principles ensure that financial statements are prepared objectively and do not mislead user. Accounting principle. Accounting principle are rules established to regulate the accounting, measurement, and reporting of financial transactions. For example, revenue recognition principle determine when revenue should be recognized. These principles are outlined in accounting standard based on internationally recognized practice such as IFRS or GAAP. Accounting standard. Accounting standards are more detailed rules used in preparing financial statements to enhance the quality of the information present. Standards are set by accounting standard bodies such as IASB, International Accounting Standard Board, which issues IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standard. These standards include guidelines on recognizing, measuring, and disclosing items in financial statement. And then accounting practice. Accounting practice represent the application of concept, principle, and standard in day-to-day accounting activities. Practice may vary between companies of countries, although they must still conform to applicable accounting standards. Accounting practice often evolve with change in business and technology. 3. The role of the conceptual framework in accounting theory. The conceptual framework serves a way to help develop accounting standard and prepare financial statement. Its main functions are to provide good lines for standard setters in determining methods for measurement, recognition, and disclosure of accounting information. Increase the consistency of accounting standard created by applied across organization. Ensure that financial statements meet user needs by providing relevant and reliable information. This framework includes a definition of financial statement elements, criteria for recognition and measurement, and the qualitative characteristic of the information present. 4. Element financial statement in the structure of accounting theory. The elements are components of financial statement that reflect a company's financial position, including assets, research owned by the company expect to provide future economic benefits, liability, obligation that the company has to fulfill debts or meet responsibility to other parties, equity, residual right to the company asset after deducting liabilities, revenue, income generated by the company from primary operating activities such as selling goods or service, expenditures incurred by the company to generate revenue such as raw material costs or operating expense. Measurements and recognition in the structure of accounting theory. Measurements is the process of Determining the value or amount of elements in financial statement measurements include several methods such as historical cost, market value, fair value, and present value. The choice of measurements method affect the information presented in financial statement.